Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to the 25th of March. Today is Sunday. So multiple times it's turned into this. And just about the time, ooh, look at the moon up there. And just about the time it dries out, the next rainstorm comes. I don't know what the amount of time before the next one comes this time, but looks like it's starting to tack up. Maybe we'll take the BMW for a rip or something. I don't know. But welcome to a beautiful day at the moment. Man, it's beautiful right now. Well, despite the fact that it's pouring down rain right there, I'm taking that loop. Well, at least that's my plan, to take that loop. Alright. Let's go for a rip. And we're off. I'm just going to do a quick little ride here. Alright. Hey, look how much the road dried out. Nice. Real nice. Man, it's looking beautiful at the moment. But back where I'm heading that way, it looks like it's dumping. We'll see. Wow, it's gorgeous right now though. And look, everything dried up. That's what you gotta love, is when it's windy. It stops raining for a little bit. Woof. I just got a winter storm warning pop up on the GPS. That's pretty crazy. Don't know what that's all about. Wasn't aware of that. Of course, I haven't been paying attention to the weather either. Usually Kelly does when I don't. And she'll go, "Hey, did you hear?" I'm like, "Really?" But I don't think it's near. Look at this. I caught up with a car out here. Imagine that. But I'm just taking a quick little sweep. Somebody's been using that dirt road. That always makes me nervous. When you see a dirt road that's never used and all of a sudden it's being used, that's a sign log trucks are going in and out. Man, people are moving up here from the south in masses. Absolutely in masses. And when I say south, in particular, California. The one thing they seem to do is strip every tree off their land. Of course, I think people even living up here are doing that. It is just a frenzy. Lumber is like gold around here right now. And the bad thing is we're not doing anything with it. They're sending it out to the ports, and the ships are hauling them off to countries afar. Man, just think, before you know it, and I say this every time I ride, all this is going to start blooming, and this just takes on a whole new beauty. Trust me, the sunshine and a dry road, that's beautiful to me. Right now, even without all the leaves and the trees. But we got so many evergreens around here, it pretty much stays green year round, but it's way nicer when everything's green. Out there, robins. Oh, look at this lighting out here. Jeez, we're an hour and a half from sunset. Sunset is at 7:30 here in the Toledo area. Oh, here's a place that hadn't seen the sunshine. Man, between the trees and a lack of sunshine, man, it can stay wet for a long time. You guys see that rail going up? That's the hill I drive up. Normally you can't see that because it's just all covered in trees. One of the nice things about it being open like that, ooh, look at all that gravel, is that I can see out. Except for looking out today, you're just going to see a bunch of sunshine in your face. So I'm trying to just regular shift this thing. The 2018s are so much more vastly improved, the Shift Assist Pro, that it's just so fun to use. I want to use it all the time. Man, I found myself a couple 3 times just about shifting that street glide last time I drove it. So just shift the motorcycle like it's a regular motorcycle. If this was my only motorcycle I rode, that'd be one thing. There's people out here. Sunday, probably gonna have kids out. Just mellow her out here a little bit. These things just handle so good. And the brakes are so good. You just can't help but just kind of have a little fun, you know? Wow. Oh, look at that old barn sitting out there. Boy, you got to watch them deer out here, especially in the evening. It's got to keep your eyeballs peeled. Well, you need to be doing that anyway. If you're not, your riding time's limited. 2 on 2, man, always. Have something on the clutch and something on the brake, because anything can happen at any second. I will freeze my hands off doing this, because even with heated grips, your fingers aren't touching. 2 fingers on 2 levers, that's what I mean by the 2 on 2. Anyway, I don't have heated levers on this thing, so them fingers can get cold at times. It'll get bad enough that you know, on a nice slow casual straightaway somewhere, I'll wrap my hands all the way around the grips, let them warm up a little bit. I can't believe how much snow is in them hills. All that snow came back. There's a couple of places there yesterday. We were driving up, you could see the snow line on the mountains, but I was in heavy traffic and had to pay like 100% attention to what I was doing. I couldn't film them. It was when we were on the way up to Tacoma yesterday. Old Mount St. Helens, they ain't even a hint that she's back there. The clouds got her covered up. She might be in the snow right now. You'll see a lot of deers out in that field. There's a little small field on the other side of this house. You'll see them sitting there too. I seen his water pump sticking up out of the ground. I thought I was seeing something there for a memento. Alright, instead of going all the way up the hill, I'm going to drive you out here a little bit. See if the swampy area is out. Ooh, oh, it almost looks like a rainbow was trying to start out there. All that marsh grass. But it hasn't been flooding here lately. This is going to get really interesting. There'll be water across the road right up here. Looks real cool. But I bet you it's still wet and swampy. Man, it takes the middle of the summer before it loses that look. See all the water there? Man, imagine having your shop sitting right there. How many times has that guy squeegeed his floors and got the water out, huh? So did you guys have a nice weekend? It's been a busy weekend for me. Even we ended up with that unexpected day off there on Friday because of that traffic thing. Whoa, whoa. Don't worry, I've got all the traction control and everything's turned on. It's not going to wheelie or spit the back wheel out or anything weird like that. Man, look how big those things are. Jeez, that was quite a jolt on this thing. Man, that winter, you know, that water freezes and pushes the road up, and there's like streams everywhere. Look how the water just comes up out of the road. See, in those places like that, that stuff freezes and lifts the road. It's like riding into sand dunes. You come here one weekend, everything's great. Go out the next weekend, the whole sand dunes have changed. Had a windstorm and literally changed everything. So I need to apologize for getting the last 2 videos up like super late. Man, 2 nights in a row. I just get to a point I can't do it anymore. So what is it? 6:15. Man, I'm gonna go in and upload this stuff like right now. I can't have that happen on a work night. I can get up and go to work. I don't have the luxury of getting up in the morning and doing it. But I have the hardest time staying focused in the morning and building it. Whenever I do that on the weekend, I really mess myself up. Because I go, oh, I'll get up in the morning early and do it. I was up early today. But I didn't turn that thing live until like 2:30, something like that. I just get distracted with other research and whatever the heck else I'm doing. Woo, it's windy out here. God, it feels good. You know the weird thing about these, and especially the GSA, I noticed it more on the GS and the GSA, but it doesn't yank the bike around in the wind. Funny, huh? Well, that rain cloud must have just skimmed along the backside there. I was for sure I was gonna get y'all caught up in the rain. And then the rains came. Well, anyway, there's a quick little loop around my neighborhood. Look at them skies. Woo, doggy. Not as pretty as the evening skies, but pretty enough for me. Alright, we'll talk to you guys down the road here. Man, it looked like it was clouding up when I left, so I got my backpack on. I could have changed them out, but I just got my clear glasses on. Man, it's a long ways to go down the highway with that sun just beaming you directly in the face. But how about this road? Isn't that amazing? Well, I guess I didn't take you out here and film. You should have seen it earlier. Not that it's dry, but it tacked out. I mean, I can get my street light out of here. Kind of bummed me out. I was going to do my first service on there. And we're supposed to stop at Northwest Rallye yesterday, and we didn't. I kept thinking there was a reason I needed to stop there. Well, I remember now. I don't have an oil filter. I never did stop by. There's a Harley shop there in Vancouver, and I never stopped by it either. Oh well. Well, anyway, thanks for coming along for the rip on the old Beamer. The old dirty Beamer. Get out for a ride today. Didn't think it was going to happen for sure. It was looking very iffy. It's time to get the old gal inside. Start working on the vlog. Sure love these motorcycles. Man. Alright. Get everything put away. Beautiful. Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to the end of Sunday.
Yep.
End of the weekend.
Should be done.
Yeah, ended out fantastic. It's absolutely beautiful out here.
It is gorgeous.
Wonderful. It's great to finally get out on a motorcycle this weekend. I didn't think that was going to happen.
No.
At all. Actually, today was supposed to be the worst of the 2 days, and then as it came about, it started looking better, but so, like I was saying, the sun would come out, poof, rain, soak everything. And come back out, start to dry up a little bit. Boom! Here it came again. Like, dadgummit, just no ride's going to happen. In fact, I was pretty sure there was no ride going to happen. But anyway, got one in. It was fun.
It turned out good.
Heck yeah, it's always fun to go for a little rip, even if it's just a little loop around the local area here.
Yep.
Yeah, ride's a ride, it's a ride.
Yes, it is.
Well, anyway, it's about 7 o'clock. I'm going to roll in and start doing my vlog and get that done. This vlog.
Yeah.
And try not to peter out for the last 2 nights, man. I just couldn't take any more and went to bed.
Yeah, you got tired.
I said, well, I'll just do it in the morning. That's never a good thing.
No, it takes longer.
I'm way too distracted in the morning to try to build a vlog, so. Anyway, I'm gonna roll out on that, Mama.
All right. Thank you guys very, very much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up, and I hope your Monday or Tuesday is awesome.
Heck yeah. All right. Till then.
All right.
We'll see you guys. Thank you very much now.
You guys take care.
Bye-bye.